How I started a mobile mechanic business with almost no money. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. This is a new channel. Um, so I'm just gonna try this out and see how it goes. Today I'm gonna talk about how I started a mobile mechanic business with almost no money. A lot of people think they need a fully equipped shop, a service truck, thousands of dollars in tools, huge budget before they can start making money as a mechanic. The truth is, many successful mechanics, I mean, they start with basic tools. Um, a little determination and some willingness to learn. So, I mean, if you're a mechanic or just like to work on cars and you're watching this because you're tired of working for someone else, looking for a side hustle, or even dreaming of building your own business, this video is for you. Alright, let's get started. First thing I did was, which is very important, stop waiting for the perfect moment. One of the biggest mistakes I made is thinking I needed everything figured out before I started. I spent months, even years, planning, but never took any action. You don't need a huge tool collection. You don't need brand new service truck. What you need is the ability to solve problems and help people get their vehicles back on the road. Simple as that. Start with what you already have. If you already have a decent set of hand tools, a jack stands, and some basic automotive knowledge, you already have enough to begin. When I first started out, I did my best to focus on simple jobs and simple jobs only. No big engine swaps or transmission swaps. Just simple. If you already have a decent set of hand tools, jack stands, you're good. So focus on simple jobs. For example, like oil changes, brake pads and rotors, battery replacements, alternators, starters, spark plugs, tune-ups, and just light basic maintenance. These jobs usually don't require expensive equipment, and they can help you build confidence while earning money. The next thing is find customers. The next step. You can't find customers, then you ain't gonna find the money. So, find customers. I struggled with this part. It was hard.
You're gonna be in my YouTube video.
But I figured it out.
Okay.
The good news is finding customers doesn't have to cost money.
All the sexy.
Use social media, post in local community groups, post on Facebook Marketplace. Create short videos on TikTok. Show pictures of your work. People want proof that you know what you're doing. So every repair becomes an advertisement. Take before and after pictures. Show the parts you replaced. Show the vehicle running correctly afterward. Over time, people begin to trust you. Trust is one of the most valuable things you can build as a mechanic. When you complete a job, don't just collect your money and leave. Talk to the customer. Explain what was wrong. Show them the old parts, answer their questions. The better experience you provide, the more likely they're going to call you again. Repeat customers are where real growth happens. Now, let's talk about money. If you make your first $100, don't go spend it on Jack in the Box, fast food, you know. Don't spend it on something unnecessary. Reinvest it. Buy better tools, upgrade equipment, improve your ability to complete jobs. The goal isn't to make money. The goal is to build a business, a legit business. Every dollar should help you become more capable and more professional. One of the smartest investments you can make is a quality scan tool. Modern vehicles rely heavily on electronics. The more information you can gather, the faster you can diagnose problems. And the faster you can diagnose problems, the more money you can make. Another thing that many new mechanics overlook is organization. Track every customer, track every repair, track every expense, track every dollar that comes in and goes out. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll never know if you're actually making profit. You don't need expensive software. A notebook will do fine. A spreadsheet will work perfect. The important thing is keeping records. So, let's talk about mistakes. The first mistake is undercharging. Many new mechanics are afraid to charge what they're worth. They don't think lower prices will attract more customers. Well, actually, let me correct myself. They think lower prices will attract more customers. Price your work fairly. Remember that you're not charging for time. You're charging for knowledge, experience, tools, travel, and convenience. Another mistake is taking on jobs you're not ready for. It's okay to say no. There's no shame in admitting that a repair is beyond your current skill level. In fact, oftentimes that's the smartest thing you can do. A small mistake on a major repair can cost more than the job itself. Focus on what you know. Build experience gradually. The third mistake is failing to continue to learn. The automotive industry changes constantly. New vehicles have new systems. New technology creates new challenges. The mechanics who continue learning are the ones who stay successful. So take some time. Watch some training videos. Read some service information. Practice diagnostics. Study electrical systems. Every new skill is going to increase your value.
You can see all the sexiness.
Now let's talk about the long-term version. Maybe right now you're working out of your driveway. Maybe you're carrying tools in your personal vehicle. That's okay. Every successful business starts somewhere. What matters is consistency. Show up, do quality work, treat customers fairly, keep learning, keep improving, and over time you build a reputation. That reputation becomes referrals. Those referrals become more customers. Those customers become a business. And eventually that business can create opportunities you never imagined. The journey isn't always easy. There will be slow days. There will be difficult repairs. There will be mistakes. But if you stay focused, keep moving forward, you can build something incredible. So if you're serious about starting a mobile mechanic business, just do it. Start today. Take on a few simple, small jobs. See that money come in. Go buy yourself that tool you've been wanting to buy for a long time. Start today. Keep going. Just use what you have. Learn what you don't know. Help people. Build trust. And keep pushing forward. So with all that being said, this is my first official video. Hope you guys like it. I am still up and coming. I'm still trying to build my business. And I won't stop. I'll keep pushing. And I'm going to share it with everybody. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, follow along as we continue building, learning, and growing together. I'll see you in the next one.
I started with just a few basic tools and a lot of determination. How did you find customers without a shop? Word of mouth, helping anyone who needed a fix on the spot?